In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Asana subscription. Before we get started, make sure you're logged into the correct Asana account and that you're using the account that actually pays for the subscription. Also, you'll need to be an admin for the organization or workspace where the subscription is active. If you're not an admin, you won't see the options we're going to walk through. Once you're signed into Asana, look to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with several account-related options. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Admin Console. This is the control center for managing your organization settings, including billing and member management. Click on Admin Console to open it. If you don't see this option, that usually means you're not an admin on the paid account, and you may need to contact whoever set up the subscription to complete the cancellation. Once the Admin Console loads, you'll see a navigation menu, usually along the side or top, with different sections such as Members, Settings, and Billing. For cancelling your subscription, you'll want to focus on the Billing section. Go ahead and click on Billing. Inside the billing area, you'll find details about your current plan, your billing cycle, payment method, and invoices. This is where Asana lets you upgrade, downgrade, or cancel your plan. Depending on your current subscription, you may see an option like Cancel Plan, Downgrade, or something similar. The specific wording can change over time, but it will be clearly tied to managing or ending your subscription. Follow the prompts that appear when you choose to cancel. Asana may ask for a reason for cancellation or show you what features you'll lose if you move to a free plan. Read through those details so you know exactly